Tired of your hard-earned GPS data being trapped inside Garmin Basecamp? Let's unlock that valuable information and get those GPX files onto your computer in just a few easy steps. First, open Garmin Basecamp and locate the data you want to export within the My Collections section. On the left-hand side, this is where your waypoints, routes, and tracks are stored. Now, select the specific list or folder containing the data you wish to export. For example, you might have a folder named Hiking Trip 2023 or a list called Favorite Waypoints. Next, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner of the Basecamp window and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, hover over Export, which will reveal another submenu. From this submenu, select Export Selection. This tells Basecamp that you only want to export the data you've selected, not everything. A Save As dialog box will then pop up here. You'll choose where to save your GPX file on your computer. Give your file a descriptive name, like Hiking Trip 2023 GPX. Most importantly, ensure that the Save As type is set to GPX Exchange format GPX. This is crucial for compatibility with other software and devices. Finally, click Save. Your GPX file is now safely stored on your computer. You can now back it up, share it with friends, or import it into other mapping programs or GPS devices.